Think tiny houses are just cramped spaces with no style. Think again, from futuristic pods, floating on water to eco-retreats hidden in the wild, these 12 tiny houses will leave you speechless. Whether you're dreaming of going off-grid or just love clever design, this list has something that'll blow your mind. Let's dive into the most stunning, smart, and surprisingly spacious tiny homes from around the world. Number 1. CABN, Jude, Australia. Nestled amidst the vineyards of McLaren Flat, South Australia, CABN Jude offers an off-grid retreat that harmoniously blends minimalist design with natural surroundings. Measuring approximately 2.5 by 6 meters, this compact cabin features a king-size loft bed, accessible by ladder, and a king single-day bed downstairs. Accommodating up to 3 guests, the interior boasts a kitchenette equipped with essentials, a bathroom with a shower, and a cozy living space enhanced by a gas heater and ceiling fan. Outdoor amenities include a fire pit, Weber-Q barbecue, and seating areas to enjoy the expansive vineyard views. CABN Jude operates sustainably, utilizing solar power and rainwater, and is pet-friendly, inviting guests to share the experience with their furry companions. Number 2. BALUCHON, Nano, France. The Nano by BALUCHON, situated in the Rhône-Alpes region of France, epitomizes efficient use of space within a 3.3-meter-long trailer. Despite its compact size, it accommodates up to 3 people, featuring a loft bed, a bench that transforms into a double bed, and a multifunctional desk that doubles as a dining table. The exterior combines red cedar and black aluminum cladding, while the interior is illuminated by multiple windows, including a distinctive round porthole. The Nano includes a kitchenette with essential appliances, a bathroom with a dry toilet, and a 70 by 70 centimeter shower, and is insulated with natural materials like cotton, linen, and hemp. Number 3. Mystique Tent. The Mystique Tent redefines glamping by merging the traditional charm of canvas tents with modern luxury. Designed for those seeking an immersive nature experience without sacrificing comfort, it features spacious interiors, durable materials, and customizable layouts. Ideal for ecotourism resorts and personal retreats alike, the Mystique Tent offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. Number 4. Longhouse Kits, Scotland. Inspired by traditional Scottish architecture, Longhouse Kits by Heb Homes provide a contemporary take on the classic longhouse design. These prefabricated homes feature a linear layout that maximizes natural light and energy efficiency. Constructed with sustainable materials, they offer customizable options to suit various needs, making them suitable for both rural and urban settings. Number 5. Tumbleweed Elm, USA. The Tumbleweed Elm is a quintessential tiny house that combines classic American design with modern amenities, available in sizes ranging from 217 to 390 square feet. It features a distinctive arched roof, a cozy loft bedroom, and a functional kitchen and bathroom. Built on a trailer, the Elm offers mobility without compromising on comfort, making it a popular choice among tiny house enthusiasts. Number 6. Crua Modus. The Crua Modus is a versatile modular tent system designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and adaptability. Its innovative design allows for various configurations, providing insulation and protection against the elements. Lightweight and easy to assemble, the Crua Modus is ideal for camping trips, festivals, or as an additional guest space. Number 7. LoftCube, Germany. The LoftCube offers a futuristic approach to urban living, designed to be placed on rooftops or other unconventional spaces. Its sleek, cube-shaped structure features floor-to-ceiling windows, providing panoramic views and abundant natural light. With a minimalist interior layout, the LoftCube serves as a modern, mobile living solution for city dwellers seeking a unique lifestyle. Number 8. UBuild, UK. UBuild presents an innovative self-build system that empowers individuals to construct their own tiny homes. Utilizing modular wooden boxes, the design allows for easy assembly and customization without the need for specialized tools or skills. This sustainable approach promotes affordability and adaptability, making it accessible to a wide audience. Number 9. Huga. Huga specializes in prefabricated tiny homes that emphasize simplicity and functionality. Their designs focus on maximizing space efficiency while providing a comfortable living environment. With various models available, Huga caters to different lifestyles, offering solutions for permanent residences, vacation homes, or additional living spaces. Number 10. Buoy Capsule. The Buoy Capsule is a floating tiny home that offers a unique aquatic living experience. Its compact design includes essential amenities, providing a serene retreat on the water. Ideal for those seeking a minimalist lifestyle with a strong connection to nature, the Buoy Capsule redefines waterfront living. Number 11. Nolla Cabins, Finland. Nolla cabins, designed by Robin Falk, are eco-friendly retreats that operate entirely on renewable energy, built with sustainable materials. These cabins encourage a minimalist lifestyle and a deep connection with nature. Situated in picturesque Finnish landscapes, Nolla cabins offer a tranquil escape from urban life. Number 12. The Smartdome offers a futuristic approach to tiny living with its geodesic dome structure. Its design ensures durability and energy efficiency, making it suitable for various climates and terrains. With a focus on sustainability and innovation, the Smartdome provides a unique and adaptable living solution. So which of these tiny houses would you live in? Let us know in the comments below. If this video inspired you or gave you major house goals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more jaw-dropping home tours just like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the tiniest spaces hold the biggest dreams. See you in the next one.